Okay. Patty tried to have me killed. I can't have her suspicious of me.
Something about that case never felt right.
Alan, if you've been made, we can't continue.
What do you think? Look like thanks to me. Ellen's a liability already. I've said it all along.
Damage is all new Wednesday at 10, only on FX.
And I've seen all this before.
Gaskins is trying to reinvent the dropway, so actually
Where are all the other dresses?
we have some right here and then another. And I think it can be very interesting
No.
with...
No, it's just baffling to me. Why is it so impossible to put together a decent run-through? You people have had hours and hours to prepare. It's just so confusing to me. Where are the advertisers?
we have some pieces from Banana Republic.
Well, we need more, don't we? Oh, Jesus. Slick, what do you think?
Yeah. Well, you know me. Give me a full ballerina skirt and a hint of saloon, and I'm on board.
But do you think it's too much like...
Like a La Croix from July? I thought that, but no, not with the right accessories. It should work.
Where are the belts for this jacket? Why is no one ready?
Here. It's a tough call. They're so different.
Something funny?
No, nothing's, it's just that both those belts look exactly the same to me, I'm still learning about this stuff and,
This stuff? Oh, okay. I see. You think this has nothing to